I can tell which lyrics here he has written that are most personal to me.
Yeah, please go ahead.
It kind of surprised me. Well, I don't know if Tad you joined in on those two, but Row from the latest album, I really like them, and I really see it as a song of making it through tough times in like myndamal, how's in English, figurative language. Yes, I think it's a really beautiful lyric. I'm not sure it was written like that, but it really can be translated into a more meaningful. I know the story behind the lyrics, but
it was definitely written with that kind of intention behind it. I mean, like battling the storm. It's like exactly. good for any kind of a tough situation.
Yes. Good song, good lyrics.
Yeah, we worked together, Thaddeus and I,